Omuneneserezo wa Buhweju County Honorable Mwiche Francis Nagerangwe mberambi enguuto n'entindo mu Buhweju kicumbagize entunguko mbatura
uruguto rwa Buhweju rwatutegerize ngo ruterwe koransi enjura kegwire uruguto rwa sisikara munonga hamwe hatakurabwa hamwe noraba umucambu amizi gashazireho umuhanda
Omuneneserezo wa Kashari North Honorable Bazil Bataringaya ashoborira hambera y'uruguto rwa Nyakambo rukugeita Buhweju Kashari hamwe na Sheema okuryo mu mberambi
bwene hate cyo muronji Honorable Minister of Works yatuhamiza ngo biliyoni 30 ziri pipeline ziriyo zija zo kushashura abantu abari aharuguto rwo then bacheza kubashashura contract akabatandika gukora
omukugarukamo Minister w'ebyentambara General Katumba Wamara ashoborire ngo sente zo gukora uruguto rwa Nyakambo zarebekere ngo konkezo kitaba kama bamataka nizo bategerize reno gukora kukatandika.
Now on the issue of that road being tarmacked, the challenge has been money for land acquisition. We have put in budget when we get the monies which are coming soon 30 billion so that we start the land acquisition to enable the contractor to be on site. The contractor is ready to be on site.
Ahanshongeji umuwezo wa mukuru w'empanura z'ishengyero Thomas Tayibwa ayeburiza habwe ncokoro uruguto rukutari kutandika dero bakama bamataka bakija kitwa bwa nyuma.
Ask the people, I said, you are saying without a road, no votes. So can we allow the contractor to come and start work? As we mobilize money for compensation, they said no. So I really know the predicament. I really know the predicament, and Honourable Minister, it's a very, very big concern for that area. And I'm glad you're taking up the initiative.
Amakoraga Gashakwa Jimmy Muhumza.